Method for marking responses by the student. This is very, very important. Only blue black point, blue oblique black ball point pen is to be used for darkening the circle and filling the OMR. Use of unfair means and leaving circle blanks means all the things blank, the complete question would be considered under unfair means, and CBSE would be taking the necessary against the candidate accordingly. Sorry. A student will be informed about marking responses by the schools. I would request all the schools to kindly inform the students. We would be sending the video. We would be sending the one PDF where you will come to know that how we have to respond the answers in the OMR. A student read each question carefully and decide which option is correct, and then he or she will darken the circle. But if wanted to make changes at the 11th hour or at the end, they can fill the changes so that there is a problem, correction need to be made, and a circle which has been darkened wrongly, that remain that could be left as it is, but the correct reply could be mentioned in the box. Now, when you are writing the A, B, C, D, kindly inform to the student they should write clearly, because in this case A and D, two letters are the letters which we read similar in a similar manner. Say if D, while making the, if the line is not extended a little bit more, it could be considered as A by the machine. We will the means when we will go for because we are already we were already doing each and everything in the competitive examination, so we will rectify the mistake. But to reduce or to minimize the mistakes, I will request the schools to please share this information with the students. Now, in case of candidate observed that some wrong circle has been darkened and she wanted to change the option, correct option should be written in the box where the tick mark has been shown. Answer written in the box will be considered for deciding the correctness of the reply. I already stated and communicated, as more questions are given in the question paper, and candidates have to attempt less number of questions. Hence, for question not attempted, candidate have to darken the circle given eccentric mark or below the eccentric mark. No, if no circle is darkened and box is also not filled, this question will be considered as attempted. More examples are on the way, which I had communicated to you.